Hello again, Amanda here. I wanted to talk about another category for our applications for our MMM event, and that is for workshop facilitators. So not only are we going to have artist vendors and practitioners of all kinds offering their metaphysical and healing arts, we're also going to have 2 areas for workshops. So people can sign up and actually have an hour and 15-minute class to learn whatever you want to teach them. Again, focusing on the empowerment through the arts mission, okay? So bonus points are like we're hoping to get at least a little sprinkling of hands-on sort of make and take workshops, but also any workshops will kind of suffice too. But of course, it's nice to have something that you learn and then make and take with you so it can inspire you to continue to do the work that you've learned. But also we're thinking of other categories too. So again, not everything might fall into the category that is in your offering or that's in your mind, but this is to kind of get to the wheels turning and inspire you and just paint a clear picture for all of you out there wondering, what are they talking about for workshops? So I said it's an hour and 15 minutes, so that's the timeline in between classes. If you're familiar with Henry Law Park, it's the lower part of Henry Law in Dover, New Hampshire. It's very expansive. And while we're going to be having live music as well all day long, we are putting as long as the rain stays at bay, we're keeping the workshops all the way at the opposite end. So there's more privacy from sound and music. Obviously, it's still in a very public place. We're going to do our best to make it cozy, but it will be outdoors and very, relaxed style. Like think, bring your blankets and your lawn chairs type situation for our workshop area. But it'll be 2 distinct areas surrounded in a canopy of trees. Again, so long as it doesn't rain on us, right? So kind of keeping that in mind as you're considering the workshops and how they can be set up. So thinking about as make and take. So from an herbalist, sort of a witch practitioner perspective, thinking about, potion making, elixirs, talismans, candle magic, tea blending, spell bottles, manifestation work and spell work, things again to uplift and empower people, to give them tools to manifest and to live their best lives. On the more like physical category of although those can be make and takes too, but flower arrangement, arranging and wreath making, herbal bundle making. What else did I have here? Oh, beading, simple jewelry making, intentional jewelry, prayer necklaces or prayer bracelets or beading, things like that. Sort of crash courses, crystal work 101, astrology 101, herbalism 101, divination 101, things again to just invite tools for people to use. And then on the other side, movement is such an important part of the arts. So belly dancing, hula hooping, ecstatic dance, yoga, chanting, circle chanting. Again, typically when we think of, chanting or meditation, it's in a closed room or like a more private area. This will be more public, but I still think it can work really beautifully. And when you're a safe, sacred space of safe people, I think it can still be a really beautiful experience. So those are some of the ideas whirling around in mine and the MMM committee's heads around what workshops can look like. But again, we're all open to suggestions. When you check out the application, you have opportunities to share 3 ideas with us around what workshops. Okay, honey. So we'll hope that you apply. Okay, honey. And applications are open. Pull the plug, sweetie. Link in bio. If you have questions, let me know, and hope to hear from you.